Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 342nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. I'm very excited to share with y'all the next recipe. My mother and grandmother used to make it for me all the time. One of my favorite childhood meals, and it's a Southern soul food staple. We're gonna make hamburger steak and brown gravy. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's gonna be full of flavor, meaty, beefy, delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. It is the ultimate comfort food and makes a great weeknight meal. It is so satisfying. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist for more recipes and my previous video, Strawberry Brownies. I'll also post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your hamburgers, your onion and bell peppers, and your cast iron skillet sugar, because we're about to cook some hamburger steak and gravy magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 pounds of ground chuck, or you can use ground beef. And we're going to add in our seasonings. I'm using seasoning salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, or you can use any seasoning of your choice. And using clean hands, we're just going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. It's a cook's best tool. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to form them into patties. We're going to form into 5 to 6 inches. Just like that. And then we're going to put them on the plate. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my hamburger patties, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got my hamburger patties all together. Now we're ready to fry them. In my cast iron skillet, I got the fire over medium heat. I have 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to put our hamburger patties right into the oil. Oh yeah, love that sizzle. That's what you want. Alright, my friends, so we're going to fry them until they're golden brown, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying my hamburger patties. Now we're going to get started on that luscious brown gravy. In the same skillet we cooked the meat in, I reserved 1 tablespoon of the grease. We're going to add in 1 diced bell pepper and 1 diced onion. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to let it cook until the vegetables are soft and tender. Alright, my friends, the vegetables is nice and soft. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Next, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and stir that in. And we're going to let it cook for about 6 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alright, my friends, this is what the onions and bell peppers look like. One of the light golden brown color. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to add in our water. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. stir this in. Look at that gravy. All right, my friends, now time to add in our hamburger patties. So now we're going to cut the fire down to medium low. And all we do is let our hamburger steak simmer. And there's about to be some good eating around here. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Hamburger steak with brown gravy. Doesn't that look yummy? And look at that meat just smothered in that gravy. Mmm, smells awesome. All right, now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some rice and gravy, green beans, and cornbread. About to get down in the kitchen. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that hamburger steak. Oh yeah, look at that. It's perfectly cooked. Give me some rice and gravy. Mmm. Mmm. It's moist. And it's as tender as your mother-in-law's love. Oh, that gravy is marvelous. Brings back memories. Please give this recipe a try. A great weeknight meal. Y'all gonna enjoy this. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Hamburger steak-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.